dear students of Yusuf School System. I'm your maths teacher. Students, I hope that you are enjoying Zoom classes and it will help you a lot in understanding different concepts of maths. Grade 3, this is Zoom week 10 and today we are going to have lesson number 1 from this week. Topic today we will discuss solving word problems from chapter dollars, cents and money. Students, before starting the chapter, let me clear that $1 bill equals to 100 cents and 1 rupee equals to 100 pesos. What is the purpose of this video? By the end of this video, students, you will be able to understand how to solve word problems of money, including your basic operations of mathematics, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Let's have a warm-up activity that is from previous lecture. Add and subtract the following. So as we did before, when we add two amounts with decimals, 0 plus 5 equals to 5, 8 plus 8, 16 and plus 1, 17, 1 carry, 6 plus 3, 10, the 6 plus 3, 9, plus 1, 10, 0 here, 1 carry and 2 plus 2, 4. Similarly, 93.10 subtract 76.40. 0 minus 0 equals to 0. We can't subtract 4 from 1, so we have to take carry or borrow from the other one. We took a carry 1 from 3, it will be 11. 11 minus 4 equals to 7. Here is 2. We can't subtract 6 from 2, so we take a carry or borrow from the other hundreds, from other digit, that is 9. So it will be 12. 12 minus 6 equals to 6 and 8 minus 7 equals to 1. Question is, Raju bought a box of chocolates for $4.05 and a box of cookies, that is $5.30. After paying both chocolate and cookies, he had $15. Number A, you have to find how much spent altogether on cookies and chocolates. B is how much did he have at first, I mean before paying or before purchasing chocolate and cookies, how much money he had in his pocket. So first we just add the amount of chocolate and cookies. So let's see how. When we add both amount, we get the answer 9.35 and what he had at first. So it means we are going to add the amount which is 9.35 with 15, which is he has at the end of the purchase. So 15 plus 9.35 equals to 24.35. So here it will be 24.35. Weaving bought two shirts. One shirt cost is 20.50 and the other cost is 27.90. He gave the cashier a $50 note. How much change did he receive? So students, first of all we add the both shirts amount. It will be 48.40 and he gave the cashier $50 note, and after purchasing it will be subtraction and he has 1.60 at the end. A television cost rupees 63 6,310 rupees. It costs rupees 2,680 more than a wireless speaker. So how much does the wireless speaker cost? First of all, you have to find the wireless speaker cost, and how it will be, you will subtract 2680 from 6310, and how much do the items cost altogether. Now students, see, after subtraction both amount, you get 3630, which is the cost of a wireless speaker, and in a B part you will add this amount with this amount, and you will get the money altogether. See, like this, it will be 9940. This is a video source for you students. Wrap up is money. We convert money into decimals, dollar into cents, and rupees into pesos, and understanding how to deal with the money problems in day by day, money problems day to day. Home task is you have to do copy work 176 and 177. These are the 6 questions, and it is required that you will do these questions on your copies. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay home. Allah Hafiz.